How to fix WhatsApp adjust date problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp adjust date problem on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll until you find the system and updates. Click on it, and here you will find language and input and not language, I mean this one here, date and time. Now just enable this one. You will find it like that. Just enable it, set automatically, and that's it. Now just go back to your WhatsApp and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.